Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on App Management. And here we've got the full list of installed apps, which are installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which are frequently using, and remove cache. Be aware, because you won't be able to remove cache from the system apps, but that's okay, no worries. All you have to do, as I said, is to let me pick maybe Gmail. Just tap on the specific app, then go to storage usage, and here we've got this section called cache. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of this device, of this app, sorry. So removing it will release some memory and therefore speed up your device. So all you have to do is to tap on clear cache, and your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend tapping on clear data unless you wish to remove everything from this specific app. So as I said, go through all of those apps and remove cache. Moreover, for speeding up your device, I highly recommend to use Phone Manager. We usually forget about it, but it is a really nice tool. Just open the list of full apps, scroll and find this app, which is called Phone Manager, and for sure you've got one because it is provided by the developer. So just find it, for sure you've got it. After opening the Phone Manager, just go to Optimize. I mean, your device will basically optimize itself, will perform some kind of cleanup, and thanks to it, it will speed up a little bit. I highly recommend to go through cleanup storage, so you can remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got here we've got different categories of the data we can remove, or you can also go through System Boost, and thanks to which your device will work faster. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.